After just 2 months, I was promoted as an AI engineer, learning, experimenting, and develop real-world solutions. So that's my track. So we developed Google ADK node for the N8 thing.
What is the difference between learning as an undergraduate and adapting to work at a IT company?
But in the industry, that's not enough. And that's the most, I think, valuable thing I ever get.
Okay.
We developed a system that can build another systems. That's the Atamaton.
Tea or coffee?
Definitely coffee.
All right. Artificial intelligence, the buzzword of 2020s. Not only it has changed entire industries, but also the way how an undergraduate would enter the IT industry. So today, with us, we have Sonal. So Sonal, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Hi, I'm Sonal Jayasinghe, currently working as an AI engineer at Codimite. So my work currently focuses on Agentic AI system development and workflow automation. So Vindu, I will tell something interesting about me.
All right.
So I started my journey here at Codimite as an intern software engineer. After just 2 months, I was promoted as an AI engineer.
That is an interesting anecdote about yourself. Just 2 months.
Yeah.
So explain a little bit more on that part. How did you graduate from just being an intern to an AI engineer within 2 months?
So first thing, as I told, I was joined as an intern. From the very first day, I was focused on learning, experimenting, and develop real-world solutions. So that's my track. So as I told, from the very first day, I was able to learn about Google Agent Development Kit, the Google ADK. Then I learned about the N8. So I did some experiments with those. So after that, we realized we can build something cool. So we developed Google ADK node for the N8. So at that moment, people realized that, okay, Sonal is capable of doing AI-related things. And that's the reason I was able to promote to this position.
Okay, interesting. So you are a proud product of Sri Jayawardhanapura University. So tell me, what is the difference between learning as an undergraduate and adapting to work at a IT company?
So that's a very interesting question. So in the university culture, we learn from our lecturers and our friends and books, and that's the culture we had. So in the organization, that learning is not enough. We had to have some hands-on experience. That's the most important thing. Like in this era, we have the Gemini and other generative AI tools. But from that, we ask some question and get some answer. So, but in the industry, that's not enough. We should have a hands-on experience. And that's the difference between the learning inside the university and adapting to the organizational work.
I know this is your first job.
Yes.
But tell me, how do you feel about the Codimite culture?
Another interesting question. So inside the Codimite culture, I noticed something really cool. It's about people. The people here at Codimite are really friendly. So I will tell something incident that happened to me.
Yeah, go ahead.
So within the first month, I was able to talk with our CEO, Dasun Aryaratne. And at that time, I was just an intern. But I was able to share my thoughts, my ideas, and discuss new ideas with Dasun Aryaratne. And at that moment, I realized that there is no hierarchical difference in this company. And that's the most, I think, valuable thing I ever get.
Okay. So the buzz around the office is Sonal is always working on something very interesting. So tell me, Sonal, what are you working at the moment?
So at the moment, I'm working a really cool project called Atamaton. So Atamaton is basically an agentic AI system that developed to govern N8 instances. So I will tell what happened inside that Atamaton. So basically, we have few agents. And the first agent is we developed to get the business ideas or the workflows ideas from the user. So the reason is most of the time people have workflows ideas, but they don't have the ability or technical capability to develop them. That's a blocker. But we develop the system. The system can get the workflow idea from the user and develop the workflow for you, automatically develop. Not only that, we develop another agent to evaluate them. Is it production ready or not? Not for the automatically developed workflows, or the workflows already you have. Not only that, we have govern agent.
Okay.
Basically, when we publish a workflow to the production, sometimes we might have errors. We have to solve them.
Okay.
So in that case, govern agent have capability to auto fix your workflows. So that's the really cool project I was worked on.
Okay. So talking about Atamaton, what is the difference between it and the rest of the solutions which are available in the market?
So at the moment, so talking about Atamaton, we developed a system that can build another systems. That's the Atamaton. So we have Agentic AI system that can develop workflows. But in the other side, the other AI tools can develop workflows just like a JSON file, right? That's the thing. But most of the time, they are not production ready. But within the Atamaton, we build workflows already production ready.
Okay. Enough with the technical talk. Let's talk a little bit more about our office, Codimite. So tell me, what is your most memorable moment at Codimite?
Yes, the most memorable moment here at Codimite is the HackWave 2026.
All right, our hackathon.
Yes, our hackathon. So I can remember that I had the exam on the competition day. I had to visit to the university and did the exam and came back to the office and sync with our team, and we developed a CEP product with combined with the Google Gemini, and we had to present it after the competition, and that's the most energetic and memorable moment in my life here at Codimite.
Okay, Sonal, now I'm going to put you in a little bit of trouble with our quick fire round.
Okay.
Answer it with 2 or 3 words. Okay? All right. So, one of the most important questions for a developer, tea or coffee?
Definitely coffee.
All right. AI replacing developers?
No, but it will replace lazy developers.
Okay. Current favorite AI model?
Gemini 3.1 Pro.
Most exciting project that you have worked?
Google ADK Note for Nick.
One word to describe Codimite.
Opportunity.
Okay, Sonal. Thank you very much for joining with us and sharing your insights about AI and Codimite.
Thank you for having me.
That's it for this episode of Coffee Talk. In the next episode of Coffee Talk, we will be talking with an creative of Codimite who leverages AI to enhance his outcomes.